When most people think about crypto, they think about speculation, fast money, volatility. But for millions of people around the world, crypto isn't speculation. It is a survival tool. If you live in the US, in Europe, Singapore, or Japan, your national currency is relatively stable. Your bank works, your money holds value, your payment system functions. But the stability is not global. In Argentina, inflation had exceeded 100% annually. In Turkey, the local currency has lost more than 80% of value against the US dollar over the past decade. In Venezuela, the hyperinflation reached levels where the price doubled in ways. For people living there, saving it in local currency means watching their purchasing power disappear. So what do? They convert their salaries into US dollars, stable coins, or Bitcoin, sometimes within hours of being paid, not to speculate but to preserve value. The traditional financial system are built around national borders. The bank accounts, capital controls, the currency restrictions. In many countries, moving money across borders is slow, expensive, or restricted. Crypto changed that. Now, with a smartphone and internet access, anyone can spend value globally within minutes. No bank approval, no currency conversion limits, no geographic barriers. This is why in many emerging markets, crypto adoption is not driven by hype, but by necessity. For decades, people stored wealth in three main forms: local currencies, real estate, gold. Now there is a fourth option, digital assets, not because they are perfect, but because they are accessible. A young professional in Buenos Aires can convert part of her income into USDT and protect it from inflation. A freelancer in Turkey can receive payments from overseas without relying on unstable local banks. A small business owner in Africa can sign to international invoices without waiting days for bank transfers. These are not theoretical scenarios. They are daily reality. Crypto is often discussed as technological innovation, but its deeper impact is structural. For the first time in modern history, individuals can hold and transfer value outside traditional national financial system. That doesn't mean banks disappear. It doesn't mean government lose control overnight. It does mean financial choice is expanding. When people have alternative system evolve. The question is not whether crypto prices go up or down. The real question is why millions of people using it even when price fall. The answer is simple. Because for them it solves real problems, not theoretical ones, real ones. The crypto will continue to evolve, regulation will change, market will rise and fall. But one trend is already clear: when a financial tool is used daily by millions of people to store value, move money, and protect wealth, it has already become part of reality, not the future, the present.